Hi, this is Charlie with Path of the Bee. Today is day 14 of our Nicot Queen rearing system series. So what that means is we're going to transfer our queen cells into our nucleus colonies. So let's get started. First thing I'll do is give my bees a puff of smoke, and then we'll remove our graft frame. Okay, so now we're down here to our graft frame. I'm just going to lightly smoke the bees off the top bar. And I brought this extra box here to transfer my frame in, and it'll act as an incubator. This is the frame that I took out when I originally made the system, and so I'm going to put it back in. So there's our frame with all the bees on it, and they'll help to keep it warm and incubated while we travel to our apiary with our nukes ready to go. The other frames that I have in this box are just spacers. Okay, so while we're in here, we don't want to forget to remove the queen excluder. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we'll take our graft frame full of our queen cells out to our nucleus apiary, and we'll transfer them. I'll see you there. Okay, so we're here in my nuke apiary. I'll go ahead and just get started. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my hive, my double nuke, and see if I still have bees in here, which I do. Now, if you'll notice here, this side is really full of bees and this side has a few in it. And what I've noticed is when I have a row of hives set up, that one colony will catch all the drift bees, and this is it. So this is a really strong colony here, and this is just, you know, normal. Now I'm gonna have to remove a bar out of my grafting frame, and I'll start with the top one. You'll notice that a lot of these are webbed together. I'll start with the bottom one. I'm going to cut these loose real carefully with my hive tool. Now this is a quality hive tool. I bought this from Kelley Beekeeping. It's their brand, and it's a little more money, but it's worth it. And then I'm going to push this bar out of here. Okay, so I now have a bar of queen cells loose. Put this back in here so the bees can keep it incubated. In fact, I'll leave these setting here while I'm working on this. Now I'm just going to pop a queen cell loose. And I'm going to pry apart these frames here. This is the brood frame that I put in. This is a frame of honey. And I'm going to put this cell in between those frames. Just like that. Let it sit on the little button on top. Honey frame, brood frame. Put our queen cell in here. Put it back together. I'm just going to work my way on down the row. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks again.